How to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can recover it. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Snapchat application from your device. Tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. Then tap on settings on top right. You will see I need help on second option. Tap onto it. Tap on my account is compromised. Then under submit a request, scroll below and just enter your username, your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account, your phone number, and the description of your issue. Once you do that, solve the CAPTCHA and tap on to submit. And all you have to do is wait for the Snapchat notification and you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more helpful contents like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.